In this acrylic color mixing tutorial, I'm going to show you how to mix beautiful apricot colors with acrylic paint. And there's also a free PDF for this color mix. You can find it in the video description if you want to come back to it later. So the color recipe for an apricot color is actually quite easy. We start with mixing an orange from our red and yellow, like this. Mix it well. And then you take a tiny bit of white and mix that into your orange color mix. And can you see what a lovely apricot color we are getting? So beautiful. And then if you want to have it a bit more fresh and vibrant, you can mix in a little bit more of the yellow. So let's do that. So beautiful. And of course, if you want to have a very light apricot color, you can mix in even more white. Not too much. Look, beautiful. Yes, and this is how easy it is to mix apricot color. And if you're wondering how I mixed these coral colors on the left side of my palette, they were just mixed with a bit more of the red. And if you want to know exactly how I did it, I put the link to that video in the description. And if you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up so that I know and can make more of them. Have a lovely day with lots of color mixing. Bye bye!